Okay, headgear boxers and go to center for referee's instruction. Again, this bout is between Cholo Madero wearing black headgear versus Ian Andre Pacomio wearing blue headgear.
Once again, this bout is being presented by the Highline Olympics San Jose Boxing Camp in coordination with Baruch Boxing Gym of Coach Arlan Lerian.
Thank you for this start of our first round. Wag kumpiyansa daw. Wala pang pumapasok, coach.
Huwag ka manigaw, coach. Sinisigawan mo yung boxer mo eh. Sinisigawan mo yung boxer mo eh. Hindi ko sinapil yung kama.
Wala na, maubusin ang hangin pag ganyan.
Malakas sana kasi sinapil.
Hindi yung mahanap ng ano eh. Yan.
Aray! Aray! Aray!
Ref, neutral, corner.
Nax, nakabawi. Yee! Char! Yee!
Knuckle dapat, knuckle.
Pasampal kasi yan. Pasampal kasi. Hindi na bibilangan eh.
Timing down.
Huwag mo sigawan!
Pressure naman sa coach.
Yan! Corner na oh eh. Lumayo pa.
Walang kalmutan ha, walang kalmutan. Ayun na.
Hindi tayo buhay tayo dito. Tayo ay boxing. Kamay lang po ang gagamitin.
May face shorts.
Oo. Nakabuhay tayo shirt yan.
Pagkamating si Cholo.
Okay, guys. Yes, 3 minutes to, kaya medyo manigil siya partner. Like sa mga pag-ano. Knuckle. Knuckle daw pang gamitin.
Upper, upper, upper. Upper, oh, upper. Yun. Tama naman, sakit yun.
Okay, continue. Oh. this is the last round for today. Oops. Itataw na daw kasi hindi naman na mag-box.
Wow, coach! Coach, kurkit lamang! Kurkit lamang! Alak ka na na! Relax naman talaga.
Neutral corner boxer. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Kaya pa? Kaya pa? Nagante, babawi. Okay, let's go. Continue natin. Remaining time is 1 minute na lang. Oh, sorry. Yan naman. Sasaluhin na lang natin partner eh.
Knockdown. Knockdown.
Saluhin mo ang mga boxer.
Knockdown.
Baka talaga lang.
Win.
Bawal mag-ikot mga boxers.
Sayang yung pwede nila natin. Lapit mo! Yun! Yan, lapit mo! Yan, lapit pa, lapit pa! Yan! Walang lapit eh!
Wait lang po! Siya na, ilalapit lang. Okay, that's the end of our second round. Okay.
Bagsak oh. Ayan oh, bagsak oh. Nako, bagsak.
May last round pa tayo.